You know, I'm just reminded of this beautiful interview of Daniel Kahneman and Nassim Nicholas Taleb I saw on New York Public Library. It's on YouTube. And it was on Taleb's book launch, I think Black Swan or something, where Kahneman tells him that, Nassim, you pretty much make the same points as most economists do, but you just make it a little controversial.
Wrong.
So if you ask any fund manager, they'll say, last 4 years we've had fantastic run. Now it's going to be a stock specific market. How different is what you're saying?
I don't think they said that the market is going to tank between the large cap and the small cap 10 or 20%. I don't think anybody said that. If anybody said that, hats off. Okay, yeah, Siddharth Bhaiya was or Naren kind of hinted at that. And I salute them because in India, biggest problem is there is a unified perspective you're supposed to have. And if you don't have it, then they put up your picture on this board like this. No, like the US, I love it not because it's a great country. I like the diversity of opinion. There are always, opposing points of views on a debate or people writing bearish things about America. कोई उनको anti-national or anti-Hindu, anti-ये नहीं, anti-वो नहीं बोलता. Why is it that here bullish हो तो आप देशभक्त हो, bearish हो के तो नहीं जी आप तो अपना चले जाओ कहीं पर neighboring country में.
True that.
This is where our biggest fault lies as a market which is not mature enough for the investor community to accept that a market is going to be cyclical. It is cyclical. Who says markets are not cyclical? When I say that the cycle has peaked and is probably heading down, so you're a bad boy. That is where I have a problem with. I don't have a problem in saying what I'm saying. All I'm saying is the acceptance of a different perspective is what we should encourage. I love what Naren said. It's fantastic. We need more voices like that.
Right. Sameer?
Okay, so you're absolutely right. He's saying making controversy for the sake of
and the allegation against you is, that Pepsi ad.
What is controversy if I turn bearish?
But for the record,
but wrap it up, please.
It's not a matter of bearish because we have many people here also bearish. Anyway, on this mid-cap, small-cap, I had made many presentations, but that is not the takeaway. Takeaway is he's saying that in 5 years, the Nifty level will be giving zero return.
Yes.
Now, the good thing is that if in 3 years we make money, or in 2 years, he is going to say, but I gave a 5-year target. And by 5 years, he may and I may have all become much older. So, in the olden days, when we used to say in the mutual fund business and any fund management business, that equities beat debt. So they would say, if you are giving a 5-year, 10-year number, it's because the fund manager or the investor expects to retire before that. So don't give 5-year numbers right away. First give broadly 1-year numbers so that we can track it along the way. Otherwise, for 4 years, we can't catch you saying, no, abhi 5th year is not over.
Sir, but I'm tracking I'm going to track your liquid fund, sir.
Shankar, we have to wrap this up in 30 seconds. Sameer, 2025 prediction. For this year, where are we?
2025, from in the next 1 or 2 months, the market will bottom out and maybe go up 5-7% or 8-10% after that. But you will be lower than what you started with.
So it's a minus year.
See, we are ending with a draw, okay?
That is this year. And then you move along with life because this idea that there was a lake with artificially chosen dates, that I don't buy.
I know Dinsha Rani also told me the same
More
thing.
discussion later, but for now, this match seems to have been fixed. But thank you so much, gentlemen. Anyway.